Good Earth Lighting's adjustable full-spectrum grow light covers the entire growth cycle of plants. It produces a light intensity of 54 par with wavelengths in the 450 nanometers to 700 nanometers range preferred for plants to absorb and promote accelerated growth. The blue, white and red push buttons let you choose spectrums to match the plant's specific growth stage. Use blue or white spectrum for seedling and vegetative growth. Red spectrum for flowering and fruiting. Or all three in combination as a general setting for all plants. Press 1, 2, or all three buttons at the same time to produce custom settings to meet your plant's needs. You can link up to 7 of these fixtures. One grow light covers an area of 2 by 2 feet. Operate the light with the 5-foot power cord. Control the amount of light the plant gets with the timer. For every 24-hour cycle, set the timer to 12, 16, or 20 hours for the light to stay on. The light will turn on and off at the same time every day when left plugged in. When using blue spectrum light, mount the light 24 to 30 inches above the plant. For white spectrum light, 18 to 24 inches. For red spectrum light, 6 to 18 inches. The light can be chain hung or surface mounted.